Mr. Journal,
Yes,
please have a seat.
good morning. Thanks to sign.
What seems to the problem?
My shoulder is painful.
I can see the shoulder is out of place. What did you do it?
This morning I was playing rugby and I fell and she cracked, so I came to see you.
Please come in the table. Can you remove your t-shirt, please?
Yes, I will try. No, I can't.
And I have look, please.
Oui, please.
Here, the doctor touches the patient's skin to test her epicritic sensitivity and to see if the shoulder trauma has damaged a nerve.
I think it's broken. The only radio can confirm. I will prescribe some painkiller and X-ray radio. You will come back to see later to diagnose the X-ray.
Okay, thanks.
Rest and don't play sport.
Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Mr. Janel,
Yes,
you are here for the shoulder X-ray?
yes,
Okay, please have a seat.
yes.
Are you okay today?
Oh, fine, and you?
Okay, very good.
Okay.
So we are going to do the radio.
What?
So can you take off your iron object and the other personal effect here, please?
Okay.
It's okay. Can you lie down here, please? It's okay for me. I have all the pictures for the results. We are going to send you the result by email. So can you go to see my secretary for the personal information?
Okay.
And you are going to receive the result in few days. 4, 5,
Okay.
6. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Take care of you and have a good day.
Goodbye.
Hi, Mr. Janel.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. So, what seems to be the problem?
I broke my shoulder 2 months ago.
Okay, so please, Jessie. This is my intern.
I'm Jessie and I am in first year of School of Physiotherapy and I'm here for observe and if I may to practice.
Can I have the ordinance, please?
Yes, of
Thank you.
course.
You can sit here. So, what else can we ask?
On the scale from 0 to 10, what is the level of pain?
I think 5 or 6.
So, for start the diagnostic, what should we do?
We have to do muscle reinforcement.
No. We have to do a passive mobilization. So, can you show me?
Okay. Lie down, please.
Okay.
The trainee and the physiotherapist will realize a passive mobilization on the patient's shoulder by doing an abduction and a lateral rotation. This is in order to test the articular amplitude of the glenohumeral articulation, and we will be able to measure it. The patient will recover articular amplitude during the healing process, and we will be able to compare with the start. We set the glenohumeral articulation at 90 degrees of abduction in a frontal plane, and then we make the patient flex his elbow at 90 degrees in a horizontal plane. We set our counter catch with our hand on the patient's clavicle, scapula, and shoulder to avoid the compensations, which are a shoulder elevation from the patient in order to go further in the lateral rotation. We're preventing this from happening by pressing the shoulder on the table. If the elbow wasn't flexed, the bones that are in the forearm of the patient could have done a lateral rotation too. This would compromise the lateral rotation that should only be done by the glenohumeral articulation. Then we set our catch just under the wrist of the patient, so we're not hurting him. We can now mobilize and proceed to measure the movement amplitude. In order to do this goniometry well, we'll pick two landmarks, one of the olecranon process at the top of the elbow and another one on the ulnar styloid process. They will allow us to measure precisely the movement amplitude of our patient. The trainee will read the goniometer while the physiotherapist will mobilize. Here we can see that she's stuck at 20 degrees of lateral rotation concerning the glenohumeral articulation.
Okay, so we're done. You can get up and put on your clothes back. Next week I'm gonna be on a vacation, so you will see another physiotherapist.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay.
No problem.
So see you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hi. Hi. The physiotherapist is coming in a few minutes.
Okay. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Hello. Oh, excuse me. I didn't see you. No problem. Hi, you are
Hi.
Monsieur Jamel.
Yes.
Ah, I'm the replacement at Claire.
Yes.
Please sit down. Yes. What is your face? Oh, can you turn around, please?
Yes.
Jessie,
Yes.
do you have the balance sheet of the physiotherapist?
Yes, of course.
Oh, thank you.
This is Amy, 25 years, fracture of the surgical neck of humerus. 2 months ago, she had 4 sessions of physiotherapy, and 2 weeks ago, she had an amplitude in abduction and lateral rotation of 20 degrees.
I'm going to see if you gain in amplitude. Can you please lie down?
Yes.
I feel we gain 20 degrees.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty good.
Yes, I'm happy. That means that the work I do at home pays. Can we do a massage reinforcement now?
Yes, we will continue to active and passive mobilization and electrostimulation.
Okay.
That's and that's. Can you try the exercise, please? Just look.
It's good. Like that.
Repeat this exercise each day 30 times with break.
Okay.
It's okay?
Okay. Nice.
It's finished.
Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye. Have a nice day.